Hello everyone. Today I'm going to get into tags and how you can go about editing, removing them, or making general changes to your tags in Obsidian. At this time there is no way to edit tags within Obsidian, so if you click on them, all you can really do is search for tags. Click on them, it'll open up in the search, and then it'll search for the tag that you click on over here within your vault, and then you can see files that have that tag, and then you can either click into them and edit the tags manually one by one, or just leave them as they are and read the document or edit the document. Now if you want to edit your tags, because there is no functionality to edit tags within Obsidian at this time, what you'll have to do is go outside of Obsidian, and you can use some text editor. Most of them have the ability to open up a folder directory, do a find and replace on the files within that directory, and then you can remove or edit your tags that way. So I'll show an example of this here using Sublime text. So I have Sublime text installed on here. This is basically my editor of choice, or plain text file editor, and you can also do development with Sublime text, but other text editors should work as long as you can do the find replace on files in a certain directory. So I'm going to open up a new window here in Sublime text. We'll go ahead and shrink this window down. And what I want to do is drag the Obsidian Vault into Sublime text, so it opens up the full directory structure here on the left side, and then it'll open up the files on the right side here. Now if I want to go ahead and update or change an actual tag within all of the files in this vault, what I do is identify which tag I want to edit. And what I'll do is edit this one that says Anton_Hayward here. It has 4 different, it's found this tag 4 times here. But one thing I've also noticed in Obsidian is that the tag has to be in a certain area. So if you put the tag in the front matter and you don't do it the proper way, it won't recognize those tags. So I do have this tag in a lot of different files, but because it's not, formatted in a way that Obsidian wants it to be, it's not seeing those in every case. So what you'll see here is that when I do a search in Sublime text, it's going to find the hashtag Anton_Hayward way more than 4 times here. So let's go ahead and we'll click on the Vault folder, the root folder there. We'll do a find in folder. You can also do a Shift Command F to get that as well. And what's going to happen here is it's going to open up the find and replace dialog box at the bottom, and it populates the where to the folder that you've clicked on here to say find in. So it auto populates that. And then you can put in whatever you want here in the find. If you've done something before, typically what it'll do is just kind of put whatever was in there before and have that cached. So what I want to do is, again, the Anton_Hayward, I want to replace that. Let's just use that as an example and change the underscore to a dash. So instead of underscore, it'll be a dash. And what I want to do here is do a replace on every instance it sees this. Now, if you want to get more fine grain on your search within this vault when you're doing your changes, you do have other options here in Sublime text to make sure that you're getting only what you want. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit replace. And what happens here is I get the dialog box here that it's found 19 occurrences across 18 files that has this hashtag Anton_Hayward in it, which, as I mentioned before, is completely different from what Obsidian is showing here with 4. So I'm going to go ahead and do replace on these, and what happens is it found all the files, and it did an edit on those files, and it opened up each one of the files in these tabs here. Now, what you need to do here in Sublime Text is that it makes the edit, but you can see here in the Obsidian, nothing has changed. And that because the edit's been made, but the files have not been saved. So you have to make sure that you save the files after you perform the find and replace in Sublime Text. This is probably going to be the same thing in any other text editor. So whichever one you're using, just make sure in order to commit the actual change, just save all the files. So I'm going to do that here by doing an Option Command S, and that's to save all files, so I don't have to go individually and do that. And it saves all the files that have been changed. Now, if we look here in Obsidian, before we've even switched over, we can see that that hashtag has changed. Now, you can completely delete the hashtag if you want. So in the erase, just leave it blank and it will remove that hashtag from the file. Or again, you can modify and change it to whatever you want here. So this is one kind of quick and easy way for you to edit the tags in your Obsidian Vault currently, because there is no functionality within Obsidian to do it. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. My name is Anton, and until the next time, have a nice day.